Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block or unblock a number on Oukitel WP50. To block or unblock a number, go to the phone app, then contacts, and I'm gonna show you two ways to block a contact. The first one is gonna be a contact that's in your contacts list here. So to block it, choose which one you want to block. Then scroll down and find blocked numbers. You can check or uncheck reporting as spam and click on block. Now it's blocked. To unblock it, click on unblock numbers, then unblock. Now I'm gonna show you the second way, which allows you to block a number that's not on your contacts list. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then settings, then blocked numbers, and now click on add a number. And now you can enter the phone number that you want to block. Then click on block. And to unblock it, click on X, then unblock. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.